Come on now students, let's begin the next point in the lesson, decimal fraction, multiplication of a decimal fractions. Students, today we are going to study two different examples. Both the examples are in two methods. First example is in method 1 and second example is in method 2. Okay, so we will start with first example first. 3.2 multiplied by 4. How do you come to know that this example is of a decimal fraction? As you can see that there is a point here, so it means it is an example of a decimal fraction. Now this example 3.2 is multiplied with a simple number 4. Since it has one decimal place from the right side, always remember you have to count the place, decimal place from the right side. So we have point and after that we have only one number, so that's why we have to take only 1 0 to the denominator. We are writing the same number 32, instead of point we are writing the denominator 10. Okay, so 32 upon 10 multiplied by 4. This is a simple number 4. Always all numbers have the denominator 1, so I have taken the denominator here 1. Now multiplying simply, as we all know how to multiply decimal fractions, numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So 32 multiplied by 4 will give you 128 and 10 ones is 10. Now to convert this again into a decimal fraction, since this has only 1 0, we have to count from right side one place, so 12.8. So this is the answer, 12.8 of the first example. Yes, we got 12.8 using method 1. Now let's solve second example by second method. In the example 4.1 multiplied by 8. Okay, 4.1 multiplied by 8. We will solve this example, second example, by simple multiplication method, as like we have studied from childhood, from first standard, second standard, we have studied this method, simple multiplication method. Now 41, this 4.1 I have written as 41. This 8 is written same 8. Okay, first I will simply write the number instead of the decimal point. I am neglecting the point and I am writing 41 up into multiplied by 8. So 41, 8 ones gives me 8, 8 fours gives me 32. So here my answer is 328. Now same example I am using by decimal point method. So 4.8 I have written here 4.8 multiplied by 8 I have written here multiplied by 8. Same way 8 multiplied by 1 will give me 8 and 8 multiplied by 4 will give me 32. Now children, since my decimal place, I have one decimal place from the right, in total, my only one number, this 4.1 only has a decimal place. 8 doesn't have any decimal place, so I don't have to worry regarding 8. I only have to worry regarding 4.1 and I have in total only one decimal place. So this is 4.1. So I am counting one decimal place from the right in my answer section. So my answer appears 32.8. Okay, so finally I get the answer 4.1 multiplied by 8 will give me 32.8. Students, we have studied in the two different methods. Whichever method you feel so easy, you can refer that method. You don't have to use both the method. But what I prefer is you try for both the methods and then you finalize which method is easy for you and that you can go through it. Thank you.